Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring. This one is black. Underneath it's a 2.5 four-cylinder with 187 horsepower. This one has 19-inch alloy wheels. Black leather interior, sunroof. CX-5 all-wheel drive, Skyactiv technology badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, fold-down rear seats, keyless entry, power windows, Bose sound system, rear seats, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push-start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, heated seats, dual climate controls, different driving functions, automatic transmission, hard keys for the media display. This Mazda has 45,135 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mazda CX-5, visit us at feldmannimports.com.